Hi there and welcome to GB's Garage. I'm George, and today I'm going to be focusing on problems with the electric windows not operating. My problem was that both of these driver side windows just stopped working. Passenger side worked 100%, both of these just stopped working. It's pretty much near impossible that both motors would go out, and I could hear clicking from the window switch. It just meant that no power was actually getting to the motors to operate the windows. So the fuses for the both windows, now the drivers and the passenger side have separate power supplies and therefore their own set of fuses. Over here you can see window lift driver side 3342 and passenger side 3134. In my case, I had fuse 33 that was blown, so that's down here. This is the other one, 42. Now, if those fuses are okay, so they're located here on the driver's side. Switch 33 is over there. There's a brown one there, 7.5 amps. You can also swap these relays around. If your fuses are okay, swap these two brown relays around. They're the same. If your problem moves to the other side of the car, that means you've got a bad relay. You can try clean the contacts or just source a replacement relay. But that should solve your problem. All right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.